T. Got a box here, Absolute Memorabilia 0910 basketball. Gonna bust it live open for you guys. Hopefully we get some mojo. Haven't done a box break on cam for a very long time, so hopefully we pull something good. So we've got 4 packs here. Let's go. Let's do this. Let's try to open all the packs first. Good. Alright, here we go. First pack. We got a thin one. We got a thin pack. So hopefully let's get something nice. We got Elton Brand base. On the back we got Tim Duncan base. Next we have a Ray Allen. Ray Allen Absolute Heroes at a 100, and our first hit is a nice, a Jason Kidd auto. Nice. 16 of 49 Spectrum. So we got a nice Jason Kidd auto. Very nice first hit. So there we go. Next pack. Got a thicker pack this time. Might be an RPM. Got a Devin Harris, Antoine Jameson on the back. Then our insert is Nate Thurmond, Legends out of 499, and our hit is it's backwards, I believe. Is it? No, it's not. It's this way. Oh, what is it? Robert Horry patch. Wow, nice. 3-color Robert Horry patch. 22 of 25. So, Robert Horry there. Not bad, not bad. Don't see a lot of his stuff. So, next pack. The next pack. Oh, this one's thicker. Might be an RPM. We'll see. Alright, first up we got Kendrick Perkins on the back, Jason Williams, then we have a, what's this, David Lee Spectrum out of 25, I believe, yes, 23 of 25, and our third hit is, where does this go, it's a redemption. Oh my goodness, are you kidding me? Wow, I pulled this the other day. Rookie Premier number 142. Wow. That's Brandon Jennings. Again. Where is it? Where is it? Where is 142? There you go. Brandon Jennings, 142. If you can see that. Wow. I pulled this like 3 days ago. Holy crap. Not bad, not bad. And this is our last pack, another thin one. So, see what we got. Huh. Nice. Jared Wallace, Allen Iverson. We got a Lester Hudson rookie out of 100. And our last but not least hit should be a rookie of AJ Price out of 49. So, no, actually, of 249. So, AJ Price, 249. We got the redemption of Jennings. We got 3-color patch of Robert Horry and the Jason Kidd auto. So, not bad. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll talk to you guys later. Peace.